Hi everybody, good evening. This is Jean here. It is evening time. I'm just waiting for Ian and Maxwell to come. I'm sitting in my driveway in my car. I'm an early person. Not that they're late, but we are just going to be going over for a walk at a nearby lake. Real pretty park. Lake Galena. Excuse me for chewing gum. In Doylestown, Pennsylvania. It'll be nice. Sort of a central point for a lot of our children to go. Last week was our 43rd anniversary, as you know, and some of the kids of our 10 children wanted to get together on that day. Oops, excuse me. And we couldn't, it was in the middle of the week. So we sort of loosely made this arrangement just to go for a walk and to be with the children and some of the grandchildren. I don't know if all 40 of us are going to be there tonight. If they are, I'll try to take some pictures. I understand if some people don't want to be videoed, although all of our kids don't mind. They're on social media. I don't see the big issue, but whatever. So I'm just going to wait for them, and we will catch up when we get to the park. If the rain holds off, it is raining. It is going to rain. It rained earlier, and we'll see. All right, see ya. We used to ride our bikes here a lot. There's a 6.5 mile track all the way around this lake. Beautiful walking and bike track that we used to ride bikes as a family and as a group of friends. We used to come. It's really very pretty. You can rent little boats here, and this is the first time in Ian's boating history that he rented a boat with Maxwell and it capsized. That was several years ago. We just turned this around, a boat dock. All of our kids have boats, and they have larger boats, but they have their kayaks too, and they come to this lake. It's a big lake, so pretty. I don't know, Maxwell was saying, is this a man-made lake? I don't know, Lake Galena. Is this a man-made lake? Not quite sure. It's very pleasant. It's a little bit overcast tonight, but that's okay. It's nice. Very well manicured. Oh, there's a bunch of Trueloves coming. Now the quiet will be shattered by Truelove noise. I don't know which children are coming. Niles, I believe, is here, number 9. I believe Malia is coming. Our daughter and her husband. Jordan is coming. Our oldest son, Luke and Amy, they're in North Carolina. They're at the Outer Banks. They go every year with their kids. So, but various of Trueloves are here.
What? What's up, Alistair?
They were supposed to.
We were before you, buddy.
You're going to the end of the dam over there.
How far is it?
Like a mile and then a mile back.
Okay, that's fine. Let's go then. Are we all here?
Get some sleeves.
Here we are. Hi, Mr. Alistair. Hello, darling. Hi. Say hello for the camera. Hello there, Vivi. How are you, darling? Happy anniversary. Thank you.
I'm really mad that you're also, by the way,
Jordan, you and I are
2017. We are.
You and I are investors. What's up, Alistair? Really invested in this. I know. We're totally invested. Okay. All right, just start walking.
Okay. There's Ian down there with Dominic and Haley and some more Trueloves. Okay, here we go. Let me just say.
Not sure if it's wide for me to bring.
So what do you think, Maxwell, babe? What do you think, Maxwell?
We're out.
We're out. This is a 6.5 mile walk. Oh, mate.
The whole 6 miles? That'll take us 4 hours. Come on, you can do it.
All right, here we are. Here we are. Hey, Sarah. Just goes in.
I thought it was fine. It's old man speak.
It is a petty together.
You literally tried to jump
Hey, Heather. Here comes Granddad, bringing up the end, and Mr. Bjorn. Oh, dear child. Hey, Bjorn. Hey, Bjorn. Do you think you can make it? You think you can make it? 6 miles? Come on, Ian. You can do it.
We're just going to the end of this, and then we'll go back to the car.
You can do it, Ian. That's a mile and... How you doing?
I'm breathing.
You are breathing.
I'm above the ground.
You know, I didn't look.
So very pretty. Like I said, this is 6.5 miles walk on a path like this, all the way around the park. So very pretty. Not a lot of people here either. Tonight, there's a kayak down there. Oh, it's lovely. People fishing. Yeah. It's a nice big lake. Look at that. Ian, bringing up the rear.
Taking a picture of the rear.
No, don't you take a picture. Oh, I thought you said you're going to take a picture of me.
I got you. Already.
No.
Yeah.
No. Okay, so we're done.
And we've still got a mile to
And we
walk
still have
back.
a mile. Oh, and all that lot behind us.
And one of our rotten kids said that wasn't a mile. That's only 0.6 of a mile.
0.6 of a mile.
Oh, hold on a
Oh,
second.
here's,
How do we do this?
there's Soleil. These kids. Huh.
Soleil,
I'm done.
don't go too far.
Don't go too far, baby.
Yeah, you do.
No, I did on Google Maps, and then you know how they have like the little,
That was lovely.
ruler at the bottom? I lined it up, and it was about 0.6.
Boy, our kids are fit.
Yeah.
Me, not so much. Oh, there goes Juliet. Hey, Jules. Good girls.